Welcome to Hazel Me. In this video I'm going to show you how to do 3 cute fishtail braids hairstyles. So let's go to the video. The first hairstyle will be a side fishtail braid. So I'm parting the hair into one side and I will keep adding the hair in my fishtail braid. It's a reverse fishtail braid, so I'm adding a piece of hair in each side and crossing under to combine it to the other part. If you don't know how to fishtail braid, you can first click the video I did on how to fishtail braid, both the normal and the reverse fishtail braid. So as you can see, I just keep adding when crossing a piece of hair under the big chunk and combining into the other side. At the beginning it's quite difficult to see the braid, but you will see that it will appear. So now I will pinch each stick a little bit in order to give more fluffiness to the braids. Trying not to mess too much with the braid because it's very possible that it can undo. So here you have it. This is the first hairstyle. I think it's super cute and girly and fancy for many occasions. The second hairstyle will be very funny. They will be 2 big fishtail braids. And to get a more relaxed look, I'm going to do a zigzag line to part my hair into 2 parts. So here you can see the zigzag. I'm going to put one braid out of the way and start with the first braid. It will be a reverse fishtail braid with all the hair of one tail. So I'm just keep crossing a little piece of each side under the other one. You will see that it appears the fishtail braid. I will pinch to give more fluffiness and volume, and now I will do the same in the other side. The more you practice, you will see it's really easy to do fishtail braids. Now secure the braid with the hair elastic, and finally I will do the final touches here with some bobby pins. And here you have it. This is the second hairstyle. I think it's very funny and it would be perfect with a baseball cap or some hats. It could be quite funny. For the third hairstyle, which will be really girly, I will use the 2 braids that I already have and just cross it over my head in order to do a headband. I will secure the pieces with some hair clips. I will need to use multiple of those. And I will cross the other one over, not really over, but in front of, so you can see both braids. And it's a big headband. And now I just pull some hair to do a more relaxed look. And here you have it. This is the third hairstyle. I think it's different and cute to wear this in some fall days and also in spring with some flowers in it you could add. I hope you like these 3 hairstyles. Comment down below which was your favorite. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and click the subscribe button to see more. See you next time!